What is up, my FX Makeup family? Welcome back to today's makeup tutorial. In today's makeup tutorial, we're going to be going over this American Horror Story apocalypse makeup inspired look. So if you want to learn how to create this, continue watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please hit subscribe if you have not already, and leave a comment down below. So I did not have a ball cap, so I made a ball cap out of a grocery bag, tape, and liquid latex. And I learned this from another makeup artist, so it comes in handy if you don't have a ball cap. And it's really easy to do. So just let it dry and dance a little. Now it's time to start painting. So taking your favorite body paint, you can use water activated, you can use cream body paints. I'm just taking water activated body paint, and we're going to cover our whole entire head, DIY ball cap, in red. First, let's block out our eyebrows just a little bit, so that they lay a little bit flat. If you want them to lay completely flat, go ahead. I'm just going to cover them a little bit to get them a little bit flat. Alright, continue back to painting. So continue painting your whole ball cap and your face red. Now I'm going to put some paint over my eyebrows just to kind of seal the glue in, and yeah. Now we're going to move on to our face and our ears. So make sure you get every single bit of your ears and your face covered. Also your head with this red, because the whole body is red, so you need to be red. And what do y'all think about this new season of American Horror Story? Like, or you think you're going to like it? Do you think you're not going to like it? Let me know in the comments down below. So I'm going back in with a second layer on the ball cap, because you can still see some of the tape and grocery bag through, so I just went in with another layer. You may not have to, but I did. Alright, so moving on down to the neck, we're going to paint our whole entire neck and our chest red, because like I said, the whole body is red. So we just want to look at a reference photo, make sure you have a reference photo, and just follow how the reference photo looks. So yeah, go ham, go crazy, turn yourself red, like a little devil on Halloween. Alright, so taking a little different paintbrush, I don't know what kind of brush this is, we're just going to dip into some NYX eyeshadow in shade Crimson. We're going to set around our eyes just so that the body paint will not crease at all. We don't want no creases. That's a no-no. Then I'm going to set the whole entire rest of the look with a fluffy brush and the same NYX eyeshadow in shade Crimson. So you set the entire face, head, neck, body, whatever you painted red, set it. And it will also stop from creasing. Next, we're going to take a Wet n Wild black eyeshadow with a fluffy brush. We're going to start contouring and chiseling out our face. Looking at a reference photo, this is where it comes in key. So look at your reference photo and kind of contour where the reference photo is, and also contour it to match your own face. We're going to bring it down our neck, around our chin. We're just going to make everything look chiseled, deep, and nice shadows. And then a little bit later on, we're going to go in and highlight. Now we're going to contour around our shoulder blades to make our shoulders look sunken in a little bit, and also to give it shadow. Now we're going to contour our nose, because why not? The shadow has it, so we're going to do it. Did I say the shadow has it? The reference photo has it, so why not do it? Now take the contour on our head, looking at the reference photo, and I'm just doing what the reference photo has. Now we're going to take the same black eyeshadow and we're going to around our eyes just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of a dark shadow. We're really going to put this eyeshadow on the lips, and yeah. So now we're going to go with a white body paint, and we're going to add some highlights, taking some big fluffy brushes, some fine detail brushes. I'm taking big fluffy brushes on the shoulders, really dry brushing it on, and then smearing it in a way, kind of. Now I'm going to take the highlight on our head and kind of just smear it on there. See, I'm taking this big fluffy paintbrush. It's not really fluffy. It is fluffy, but it's also kind of bristly. Now taking a detail brush, we're going to do some highlight details on our face and on our shoulders and on our chest. Also looking at the reference photo. When you recreate something that's already been created by movies or whatever, or by somebody, and you're recreating it to be exact, you need a reference photo. So make sure you're always looking at the reference photo. And we want to highlight our forehead, highlight our side of our face, highlight our nose, and I don't know why my light is flashing, but my light is flashing. Highlight our lip, our cupid's bow, our chin, now highlighting our collarbones, and taking the black eyeshadow once again, we're going to go in and deepen up the contours just a little bit, because it needs to be deeper, I think, according to the reference photo. So just deepen all the contours. And you want to deepen around your armpits, because that's what the reference photo looks like. Alright, now it's time to paint our hand black and to add fake long fingernails, unless you have real fingernails. But otherwise, paint your whole hand black, add a fake fingernail, and yeah, so this is a final look. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big, fat thumbs up. Also hit subscribe and leave a like if you have not already. And I'll see y'all guys in my next makeup tutorial. Alright, bye everyone.